Friends, this is a very important topic in SQL, querying and manipulating data using group by clause, having clause and order by clause. Okay, so come to the one by one. Group by command. A group by clause combines all those records that have identical value in a particular field or group of field. This grouping results into one summary record per group if group functions are used with it, or group by clause is used to in select statement to divide the table into groups. Come to the next, nested group. With the group by clause, you can create a group within group. This is called nested group. Let us take an example. Suppose I want to find how many grade value given to the student and how many students in there in different grade. So we can apply the command select grade comma count star. So this will display grade as well as total number of record from student group by grade. So it calculates the total number of record grade wise. You can see in A grade we have 2 records, B grade we have 9 records, C grade I given to 1 student and D grade I given to 3 students only. So this will display group wise, it count group wise, grade wise students. Placing condition on group. If you want to apply any conditional statement with the group by command, so we use having clause. Having clause is used instead of where case. The having clause place conditions on group in contrast to where clause that place condition individual row, while where condition cannot include aggregate functions. Having conditions can do so. Let us take an example. Calculate the average marks of math subject for those students belonging to B grade. The command is select average bracket में math comma grade from student. So I want to find out the average of math subject as well as grade also for those students whose grade wise vary. So from the student group by grade having grade equal to B. So you can see that here I apply one condition. Okay, I apply only condition. So with the help of having clause instead of where. So it calculates the average marks of B grade, okay, of only B grade. Next is to display the grade where the number of students is less than 3 in a grade grouping. So select the grade comma count star from student group by grade having count star less than 3. It will display only those because grades whose total number of students is less than 3. You can see the output. A grade we have only 2 students. In C grade we have only 1 student. In D grade we have only 3 students. Now come to the next, order by command. Order by command, just like a sorting, it is used to arrange your records in either ascending or descending order. Okay, you can apply the command like select star from student order by name. So this command arrange all the records of student table in ascending order from A to Z. Here we have two different attributes like ASC and DSC. ASC is that is ascending order and DSC that is descending order. If you want to apply commands to arrange your records in descending order, so you can use DSC keywords. Select star from customer, so student order by name DSC. It will display all the student name in descending order. You can see the output. It arranges all the names, all the records according to name in descending order. Thank you.